All right, Shrikant and Mitesh, thanks a lot for joining in. Let's also welcome Hemang Jani from Motilal Oswal, as well as Prabal Sen, who's the energy analyst at ICICI Securities, joining in. Thanks a lot, gentlemen, for joining in. Hemang, also thank you for patiently waiting by. Just wanted your thoughts on the way things are poised in the market right now. We have a lot of cues. What do you think is the best strategy?
Correction across the index as well as the broader market. I think we are poised for some sort of a pullback because incrementally news are turning positive, both in terms of crude as well as in terms of interest rates. So I think it would be good to kind of go out and look out for some bounce back across banks. The way crude has fallen, I think cement and some of the beneficiary of the lower crude oil, maybe some of the paint companies, tire companies, that should see a good amount of pullback. And lastly, we are in the dividend season. So we have come out with a 4 to 5 stock basket where we are looking at a 6 to 8% kind of a dividend payout in companies like IOC, Nalco, Gale, NTPC, so on and so forth. So I think it will be good to kind of poise for participation with some sort of a short-term positive bias.
Okay, all right, Hemang, stay on. We have more questions for you. Prabal Sen is also with us. Prabal, great to have you on the show. Good morning and happy Friday to you. So first, just a quick top-down view. This fall that we've seen in crude oil prices, I mean, that's obviously making everybody sit up and take notice because it's a pretty substantial one. We don't know if it's going to last or whether there's a quick bounce, but for the time being, how do you distill this down to some of the large listed companies, whether it's the refiners like Reliance or BPCL, IOC on one side or an ONGC?